Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA G11 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it and look for the toggle. For me it is on the second page right over here. And once you find your toggle, if you want to change some settings, you can hold it. Or it looks like there is no settings, so we can just simply tap on it. And it gives us, I guess, all the settings that we have right here, which is record audio. So we have microphone, device audio, or both. And obviously, if this is turned off, it won't record any kind of audio. And additionally, show touches on screen. So if enabled, this will show a semi-transparent gray dot. Whenever you press the display, it will mimic where you were pressing the display, so it is visible on the video. So from here, I'm just going to select start. It will count down from 3 right here and start recording afterwards, which is also indicated by sound and vibration. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. So if you open up some kind of apps, they will be recorded. And once you're done recording, you can pull down your notification, tap to stop. And as you can see, it stops the recording and saves it automatically to your Photos application. So I will open that up just so I can show you this. So right here we have movies. And you can tap on it and that's the screen recording. Oh, okay, it's already playing. There we go. That is how you can record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.